Alright, so as you guys saw in the previous video, I think it was part 5, this is part 6 maybe. Um, I opened this package up to show you guys that this is a mount. And there are two grooves here, one on this side and on that, which makes this extra groovy. But this is the mount here so that you can attach this to this. And there's screws to connect that onto something, whatever you want to attach it to make it more stable, right? Stable. You could always use stable. Anyway, this is kind of annoying because that means that I am going to require multiple power sources for this to run, which, hooray, hooray, is not what I thought this was going to be about. But anyway, that fits in there.
Likey